Greetings, this is Edward Ojambo. Ojambo.com has an article about HTML cursor icon. The link is www.ojambo.com/html-cursor-icon. As you can see in this tutorial, when you hover over the area, the icon changes. Okay, and the source code is there. The sponsor for this video is ojamboshop.com. You can find templates for all your favorite Zencard versions, 1.3, 1.5. So not long to follow this tutorial, I'm going to create an icon using Inkscape, or you can use GIMP if you prefer. So let's begin. Load up Inkscape here, change the document properties, and make it 50 by 50 for the size, width and height, and just save it as you can save it as anything you want, but in this case I'll just save it as HTML cursor icon. Okay, now zoom in and get the text and just write what text you want. Just resize it and just resize a little bit more, and now rotate it. Just slightly resize it. I can change the font. There we go. Just change the font. Almost there. A little resize. And change the color, make it green. Okay, and save this. Now with Inkscape you can export it straight to a PNG file, but I want to make it sure it's really small, so I'll open up in GIMP. Okay, looks fine. I'll go and save for the web and compare them. Yeah, that's pretty small. Okay, it's perfect size for an icon. Okay, save it as a PNG file. Close GIMP here and open up Guinea. Create a new file, HTML file, and save this as HTML cursor 8.html. Okay, give it a title, Ojambo.com, HTML cursor icon, change cursor mouse icon. Yeah, just the header, HTML new mouse cursor tutorial. What I'll do here, I'll create some type of container. I'll make it a div so that when you're inside this container, you'll be able to, the mouse will change, the icon mouse will change. I'll make this a little larger so you guys can see this. Okay, and then I'll just style it, just in document style sheet, or they're called internal style sheets. Okay, so I'll target that. Oh, it's a div, not a. It's an ID, not a class. So I'll target that area. So give it a little width and give it a little height to make sure it's bigger than our cursor. Give it a weird background to make it black so you would see it. Remember, our icon is transparent. Okay, and finally just load it up as give it the border is not really necessary. Just want it highlighted, and then the cursor, get the URL. It's locally in this example. Just make sure you get the correct name. Cursor icon.png, and we're finished. So that means if it doesn't exist, we'll just use the auto one, the default one. That's why we put auto. So you want it to be empty. Okay, now we can test it in your favorite browser. You see, it appears, Ojambo appears in the cursor box. Okay, please remember to visit the tutorial sponsor Ojambo shop for Zen card templates. A tutorial can be found at ojambo.com. Please visit and leave feedback.